Hello friends, when you are using WordPress CMS for your business website, it is likely you are using Contact Form 7 as contact form builder at your WordPress site. Now, Contact Form 7 is a widely being used contact form creation module, and this is of course a plugin, and you can create wonderful forms using Contact Form 7, but it has some downside. Like this is a form made with Contact Form 7, but it don't have a feature to upload files with the forms. So it is a very common requirement with the forms that you may need to have some uploaded file from your website visitors, but Contact Form 7 does not offer such feature inbuilt in it. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple solution through a free plugin and that you can use with the Contact Form 7 to allow or facilitate upload file with your Contact Form 7 forms. So this is the plugin and it is simply named as drag and dropped multiple file upload for Contact Form 7. This is a free plugin and there is no limitation, there is no restriction. You can simply have it at your WordPress repository and you can allow your visitors to upload files as they may need to send to you. So this is a demo website that we created using SUZ WordPress theme during our theme overview video. You can watch the specific video, and this website also uses Contact Form 7. So let us implement the drag and drop multiple file upload feature on the Contact Form 7 on this website. So I'm here at the dashboard and I'm going to add this plugin in the plugin section, add plugin, and I'll find this plugin directly in the WordPress repository. So I'm copying it here and I am also going to add the link in the video description. So you can simply follow the video description link for finding this plugin. This is a very useful plugin, of course. You may need to have this feature at your website. So the drag and drop. So this is the form. Yes. Code drop G. So I'm just confirming yes. So this is the plugin and we can simply install it. It has got already 60,000 plus active installation and got 5-star rating. So it clearly means it is working fine. So we can simply go for this and it is compatible with the latest version of WordPress and it is being regularly updated as well. So it is a necessary check to uh, check the compatibility, the recent updates before we install any plugin. So let us activate it. It is going to be simple and yes, it is useful as well. So it is simply going to enhance the capacity of your Contact Form 7. So now it is here, drag and drop multiple file upload for Contact Form 7 and I can directly go to the settings of this plugin. So uploaded info, the heading tag, drag and drop text, or so this is the default text. You can definitely change all the text. Error messages like file exceeds server limit, the failed to upload, or the file too large, invalid file type, max file limit. So you can decide. So on this demo, so I can show you a demo. Here is a demo and this is already here. I mean the drag and drop to Contact Form 7 is already implemented on this demo website. It is allowing five files to upload at a time, and there are specific file types as well that we can decide that we can allow to upload. So it is all in the setting in the back end, and we can simply go for we can also implement like 3 file uploads, or the minimum file is can be decided. Don't delete files. So the default will automatically delete files in 1 to 2 hours after submissions. If you want to keep it, check it yes. So this is a very good setting. In unique file name, randomize or the spam filtering issue, fix a spam and use jQuery and all. So we can simply save this setting. So this is a very simple setting. And send attachment as link. So this is a very important setting. So you'll get attachment as link in the Contact Form 7. Submission responses, of course. So you'll get the alert on your mail and the contact form 7 uh, submission will show you the attachments as a link. So you can simply download the attachments. And now, how to implement this attachment feature on the existing or on new contact form 7. So let us have this contact form 1 is here with me. So it is already here, and we can simply add the short code using this multiple file upload or file submit options, like drag down options are here. Now, when you will select the multiple file upload feature, like if we want to add on this form, so simply go to the end or wherever you want to add this feature. So multiple file, whenever you will click on the multiple file upload, so the setting will be appear here. So we can choose the parameters, and we can even keep it required field. So drag and drop multiple file upload, and you can keep the file name or the file size limit. You can decide in the bytes the acceptable file types like JPG, PNG, and the PDF or GIF, whatever. So you can type the file name type here, and the blacklist file types you can note here. The minimum file upload is 5, or the minimum file upload and the class attribute and ID. So selecting all these parameters, so you can simply insert the form type and save it. So it is, of course, we need to uh, put it at correct place, uh, but yes, it can be implemented simply. Now, when I'm checking this on this form, so it is, of course, you need to be here. So we can create a div class as in form. So this is like form. So the short code can be kept anywhere in a div class, or uh, the pattern of coding that you are using for contact form 7, and it is here. So it is working, and the feature is here. So we can simply arrange wherever it is required, like after this. So we can create a div. I'll show you. Okay, so now I placed the short code after the div, I mean at correct place, and saved the form now, and I can check the results here. So I'm going to refresh this page. Now it is on correct place. So it is very simple and easy to use, and for getting all the response in a mail, like contact form 7 does not stores the data, as you know. So you'll get all these files and all these information, field information, over the admin mail or the email that you configured. So for configuring the mail, you can go for simply like m file 950, or whatever the code has been generated. So you can use this tag for getting the attachment as link or attachment as a storage, however, I mean, whatever you have selected, and you can simply use this short code for in the mail body format, and you'll get the attachments in mail in form of a link, and that you can download from what had been uploaded from your website visitor. So it is very simply simple and easy to use feature, and it is a very common requirement for contact form 7, and I feel it is really helpful for your WordPress website as well, if you are using the contact form 7, of course. So the plugin is very easily available. Since it is a free plugin, you can simply get it in the WordPress repository, and as you seen, there is no restrictions, so you can go for this. In the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website that can be helpful in enhancing the feature, making the dynamic websites and all. So till then, goodbye and keep watching. And if you have yet not subscribed the channel, don't miss to subscribe. We are going to meet in the next video. Thank you.